Hello, good morning, friends. Today I'm going to explain one problem. Okay, this is based on the chemical bonding, you can say, or the group two elements, and this is the basically from the 11th standard topic. The question in which of the following molecules central atom is having completed octet? So completed octet means student that is 8 electron in their valence shell. Now, if you talk about BeCl2 student, so BeCl2 they are saying option 1, we are checking with the option. Okay, option 1 they are saying BeCl2. Okay, so when you are talking about BeCl2 and they are saying that is also dimer. So if you are talking about dimer student, what is the structure? If you talk about, here is Be, here is Cl, again Be, here is also that is the no here is Cl, downside Cl, and here is Cl. Now if you talk about this boron, beryllium, so beryllium is having 2, so 1s2, 2s2. So how many valence electron? 2 valence electron, 2 valence electron. And chlorine, if you talk about 17 is there, so what? 287. Okay, so that is 1 electron required. So what they will do, they will form the covalent bond. Up now student, if you see this one, so you talk about this beryllium in this way structure, you see this is like that. Okay, for one beryllium atom it is looking like that, there is the 3 chlorine atom is there, it is not like that student. So you try to find out number of valence electron. Okay, I'm erasing this line, because some time student thought that each beryllium atom is joined with the 2, so it is not. So what is happening student, here one chlorine atom is forming the coordinate bond, here is, so that is total here, so 2 electron is this and 2 here, 2 here, so total number of valence electron 6 electron. Okay, 6 electron is there. Okay, 3 bond you can say student, 3 bond means total number of electron is 3 electron, so that is incomplete. Okay, so incomplete octet, incomplete octet. So first option is wrong. So here is, this is the wrong option. Now what we have to do student, we are going to check with the second option. So when you are going to second option student, that is the BeH2, similar structure is there, BeH2 student. So what you will find in case of BeH2 at the similar, and they are also saying that is dimer student, so that is same you can do student. Here is the hydrogen and they are asking about the central atom. So how many electron you will find here student? You will find the electron, number of electron also 6 here. Okay, so hydrogen will complete the doublet here and beryllium will come, okay, is having the incomplete octet. So hydrogen is like that 1 electron, so they will share the electron. So total number of electron will be how again student, that is 6 electron. Up now that is the option number 2 is also wrong. अब now let us see student, that is option number 3. Okay, you try to check with the option number 3. So when you are going to check with the option number 3 friend, what you will find, that is option 3. So when you are going to check BeH2, they are saying solid, and in solid BeH2 they are having the banana bond. Okay, that is also known as 3 center 2 electron bond. So this is BeH2, when you are talking about BeH2, and if it is there in the solid state, solid form, so it is having banana bond. Okay, and banana bond you know student, that is known as 3 centered 2 electron bond. Since 3 centered 2 electron bond, of 3 centered 2 electron means what student, that is they are also not having the complete octet. Okay, so how many electron will be there in this case student, if you talk about, so they are also having, that is the incomplete octet. Total number of electron, if you talk about BeH2 in solid, there are 7 electron is there, so that is total electron is 7 electron. That is because 3 center means 6 electron and 2 electron. See, okay, this is when you are talking about, this is also you can see a student incomplete octet. In this case, what is happening, banana bond there is no complete octet, so incomplete octet, so BeS2 is also incomplete. Now when you are going a student BeCl2, so what you will find a student in case of BeCl2, that is when you are talking about BeCl2, it is having polymeric structure, friend. Polymeric structure. BeCl2 solid is having polymeric structure, and if it is having polymeric structure, and that is also having complete octet. How complete octet, student, you try to understand with the help of the structure. So beryllium is there, student. Here is also beryllium. I am trying to explain it out, and one more beryllium you can put for the each places is having chlorine top and bottom, but here you will find there will be the two coordinate bond is there. So suppose it's like that, it is there, student. So what you will find, that is here is the coordinate bond. If you talk about there is the coordinate bond, here is the coordinate bond, and when you are going this, so what you will find, here is also, this is the coordinate bond, this will be coordinate bond, and what it will be, here is also coordinate bond, and here is coordinate bond. Okay, like this it will be there. Now see, this will be added to here, this is added to here, this is added to, this is added, means alternate. What I am saying, what I means to say, student, there is alternate coordinate bond is there, alternate covalent and coordinate bond. Up see, student, any of the atom you see. Okay, so how many electron will be there in the boron beryllium atom? 2 electron is shared, here is 2 electron, this is 2 electron, 4 electron, and 2 electron, this is coordinate bond, so here is 2 electron, and this again 2 electron, so their total number of 8 electron. 8 electron means what, student? Complete octet. If we talk about this, student, you can check out. So how much? This covalent bond 2 electron, this, that is coordinate bond 2 electron, and this coordinate bond 2 electron. Total electron is how much? 8 electron. So again, what is, student, you will find, that is completed octet. This is also completed octet. So in case of this beryllium, this is having the completed octet, friend. Okay, now let us move for the another question.